Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorials. Here you'll find step-by-step guides on Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Windows Server, networking, Azure, Intune, Exchange Online, SharePoint, cybersecurity, and enterprise IT solutions. Whether you're an IT beginner or an experienced administrator, IT Assembler helps you learn, troubleshoot, and stay ahead in the world of technology. Subscribe and join the journey to build, manage, and master modern. In this videos, I will show you how to bypass OOBE out-of-box experience window. On this screen, Shift plus F10, you will get CMD, black window. Type OOBE/BypassNRO, OOBE/BypassNRO, and click Enter, which will reboot the PC and start the Windows 11 loading process again. On Network Connection area, you will get option called I don't have internet. Click on it and create an account in normal Windows method. That's all. This is step-by-step method to bypass out-of-box experience. Hope you understand and like this video. Please subscribe and like for more videos like this. Comment to know more and advice is accepted.